A lot of people like to eat boiled eggs with water, but the boiled eggs they make at home are often not round, tend to scatter, and sometimes have foam. Today, I learned a trick from a 30-year-old chef, and I want to share it with everyone. This method is not widely known, but it ensures that the boiled eggs you make will be perfectly round, free of foam, and delicious. These eggs are ideal for breakfast. Not only are they nutritious, but they're also a favorite among children. If you find this method helpful, feel free to like and save it so you can refer to it when needed. To start, prepare 6 eggs or adjust the number based on the people at home. Place the eggs in a glass bowl and soak them in salt water for a few minutes. This step helps to soften any dirt on the surface, making the eggs easier to clean and safer to eat. While the eggs are soaking, prepare the seasoning. Chop a handful of shallots and place them on a small plate. Take a small tomato, cut it in half, remove the stem, and dice it into small pieces. Combine the tomato and shallots in a bowl, then add half a spoonful of balsamic vinegar, 1 spoonful of light soy sauce, a small amount of salt, chicken essence, and sesame oil. Mix well and set this soup base aside. After 5 minutes of soaking, wash the eggs one by one. Many people skip this step, but it's crucial for hygiene. Thorough washing ensures the eggs are safe for the whole family to eat. Once cleaned, set the eggs aside. Pour some water into a pot, cover it, and bring it to a boil over high heat. Once the water boils, scoop a few spoonfuls of the boiling water and pour it over the cleaned eggs. This step prevents the eggs from scattering during cooking. Let each egg soak in the hot water for about a minute, then add a spoonful of salt to the pot to help the eggs solidify quickly. Once the salt dissolves, turn off the heat and gently place the pre-soaked eggs into the pot. The egg whites will wrap around the yolks, creating a firm and uniform shape. Cover the pot with a lid and let the eggs sit in the hot water for 5 minutes without turning on the heat. During this time, save the eggshells for later use. After 5 minutes, check the eggs. They should have solidified. If you prefer firmer yolks, cover the pot again and cook on low heat for another 1 to 2 minutes. The boiled eggs will come out round, smooth, and free of foam. For the final touch, add 2 spoonfuls of the prepared soup base to the remaining hot water and stir well. Place the eggs into the soup, letting them soak up the flavor. The result is a delicious dish of boiled and wrapped eggs, perfect for a quick and nutritious breakfast. My child loves this meal before school, as the eggs are tender and the soup is flavorful. This recipe is simple, fast, and sure to become a favorite. If you like this method, try it at home.